you're like me and you don't want to spend a ton of money on a webcam right now, I can show you how to use your phone as a webcam for free. So the first thing you're going to do is going to install DroidCam on your PC. Now if you want to install it on your Android phone, you're going to go to the Google Play Store and you're just going to install the app called DroidCam. Now once you get the app installed on your Android, you're going to go over to settings and just match your settings with mine if you want the best performance. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up using Wi-Fi in your Android device. It's pretty simple. You just want to match the IP on the application to the IP on your computer. When you're using the Android app, you want to enable the auto launch Android setting just to make sure your app launches every time and you don't have to go over and touch your phone. Now if you want to use your Android via USB, you just plug it in pretty simply with any USB you have laying around, refresh it, wait for it to pop up, and you should be good. Now moving over to the iPhone, same thing there. You're going to install the iPhone app called DroidCam, and then these are the settings that I recommend for you. Just uncheck the limit FPS and you should be all set. Using the Wi-Fi setting on DroidCam is pretty simple with the iPhone. It's just the same as the Android. You just want to match the IP on your phone with the IP on your computer. It may ask for permission grants the first time, just accept them and you should be good. Using USB on an iPhone is a little bit different. You're going to have to install iTunes on your PC before opening DroidCam. This is just because iPhones are a little wacky when it comes with USB on your computer. As long as you run iTunes and hook it up there, you should be able to use your iPhone on the app. Once iTunes is up, you can just go in, refresh that, and then you're all good. If you want to use this in Discord or Streamlabs or anything else that requires a webcam such as Zoom or Skype, just use it as the DroidCam Source 3 or 2. It'll be that on any application. It should start up right away. If it doesn't, restart your application. I'm just showing you here 2 applications it does work in, OBS and Discord. Just run it as the DroidCam Source 3. If you're struggling, let me know in the comments below. I can help you out as best as I can. Any phone that you have right now is probably a good webcam, you just don't know it yet. Webcams themselves are pretty expensive right now, so I want to do my best to help you out.